Hey all, and welcome to another video by Chennai Brothers. In this video, we're going to talk about regular expressions in Python. Before we start, please take some time to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you could get notified for all our videos. Okay, let's start. This is Chennai Brothers. Regular expressions. The regular expression library re must be imported into your program before you can use it. The simplest use of the regular expression library is the search function. The following program demonstrates a trivial use of the search function. Import re hand equals open mbox short.txt for line in hand, line equals line.rstrip. Rstrip basically takes them apart. If re.search from line print line, we open the file, loop through each line, and use the regular expression search to only print out lines that contain the string from. This program does not use the real power of regular expressions, since we could have just as easily used line.find to accomplish the same result. The power of the regular expressions comes when we add special characters to the search string that allows us to more precisely control which lines match the string. Adding these special characters to our regular expression allows us to do sophisticated matching and extraction while writing very little code. So this is the same one. Import re hand equals open mbox short.txt. This is a file. Open basically opens a file. For line in hand, line equals line.artstrip. If re.search, and as you can see this thing, this means at the very beginning of the line it should have from. There are a number of other special characters that let us build even more powerful regular expressions. The most commonly used special character is the period or full stop, which matches any character. In the following example, the regular expression f.m would match any of the strings from fxxm, f12m, or f this, since the period characters in the regular expression match any character. So basically, if you put this or periods, that means it can be anything. It doesn't need to be specific characters. But if you put F and M, it has to be F at the beginning and M at the end. But in between, there can be any letters. So this is the example. Import re hand equals open mbox short.txt for line in hand, line equals line.rstrip. If re.search, there we go, line print line. This is particularly powerful when combined with the ability to indicate that a character can be repeated any number of times using the multiplication or plus characters in your regular expression. These special characters mean that instead of matching a single character in the search string, they match 0 or more characters. In the case of the asterisk. Asterisk is this, but I call it a multiplication sign, or one or more of the characters in the case of the plus sign. We can further narrow down the lines that we match using a repeated wildcard character in the following example. Import re hand equals open mbox short.txt for line in hand, line equals line.rstrip. If re.search, and here. So it doesn't matter how many times at comes inside of there. That's what this plus sign is saying. Well, it doesn't matter if it comes once. That's basically what this plus sign is saying. Print line. This is the end of this video. For more videos on Python, please like and subscribe to this video. I know in our last video I said that we would look on defensive coding, but first we need to learn the regular expressions and more libraries.